Hey guys, and welcome to the Mean Green family. My name is Jaelyn, and I'll be showing you the spots around campus that you need to know on your first day as a UNT Eagle. Come on, let's go! UNT has nearly 47,000 students across UNT at Denton, UNT at Frisco, and Discovery Park. As a student here, I'm going to show you a few spots me and my friends go to help us succeed at UNT. Like the University Union, the hot spot of campus, where you can grab a quick bite to eat or even relax before class. Also, where there's a Barnes & Noble, where you can get textbooks, school supplies, or Mean Green Spirit gear. There's also Eagles Post, where I come to collect any packages that are shipped to campus. Now, we just landed here at the Eagles Student Service Center and UNT's One Stop. Connect to the Union, where I come to handle any student accounting or any financial aid questions I have. Now, when I need somewhere to study, I head over to Willis Library. Located at the center of campus, contains a wide range of study spaces and student computers. Sage Hall is the place to know for all academic support. It houses just about every single academic service students depend on all in one place. You can stop at the math lab or even the writing center. I know I use the learning center, where it's a group learning space right here at Sage Hall. Lastly, a spot that I go for any health needs is Chestnut Hall. It's an on-campus clinic offered to all UNT students. So any doctor's appointments, dentists, or even eye doctors, you can come right here. They offer to all students to make sure that we're healthy throughout the semester. With so many different resources offered as a UNT student, this guide will help you not only succeed at UNT, but after you graduate. So check out the official Succeed at UNT website for all the different resources on each campus. Let's go Mean Green!